Nka awungisasele iglass le wayini ne le yami ongisayile wayini lencane thela kancane Yeah, thele nje kancane la. Let me show you. What ngizotshengisa? Ibeke la. Small. Thank you. Can't wait for Mhlaka Lulu. Guys, ngiyathanda ukuphapha. So just because ndifuna udeco girl or whatever lady or whatever guy, so you guys, you assume that Lulu is getting married. Lulu is I don't know why people they are saying I'm pregnant. You know, I don't know why people they keep on saying I'm pregnant. It's crazy. So I guess ukuba semathandweni and gaining weight and also not kunikeza ngiyabonga boy. Yo mara, it's too much. I don't even drink. So ngithe ake ngiyeke life ngiyiphuzela case I hate this thing ukuthi Lulu pregnant. Ululu njani, ululu this, ululu that. Guys, come on. Let me drink my wine. So I can't be myself. I stopped drinking mostly because my man, he doesn't drink. I know when I go to restaurants now, people they're like, why not suppose I don't drink? Because now I stay with someone. I want a man actually. Why is she saying so lento yini ukuthi ngikhulelwe angazi ukuthi iqhamukapi guys, iyangixaka nami, iyangithusa bo manje izingenza ukuthi ngiphuze iwayini. Shit, Lloyd ngazi ngisusa nento esendlebeni manje ngongivila lapha. Ngiyenza ukuthi ngiphuze iwayini ngoba abantu beni ngiyazima ukuthi hayi ululu ngoba nje esengaphuzi ululu nje ngoba ekhuluphele ululu nje ulokhu pregnant. Hayi anikhohlakele. Actually bengifuna ideco for someone else okunomcimbi kubo ngomhla ka 9. So ngomhla ka 9 ngizobe ngiye kulo mcimbi. So bethe ngimncede ngimfunisa ideco. So I thought how ku Instagram mhlambe someone simtholileke umuntu. Ngathi how Instagram wami abantu abaningi bala Newcastle. I know someone owenza amadeco because obviously if mina ngenza into for myself, girl, I'll bring like people. I'll get someone from Joburg from Joburg because I'm more familiar with Joburg than Newcastle, and I will never let my things zenziwe abantu base Newcastle because I know how crazy guys you are. Canga ukuthi mathiwa ngenzela khabeni lese yamalobolo then angizofuna umuntu ala Newcastle ukuthi azongenzela ideco ekhaya. The next thing ngizobe ngicela kuwo wonke lama blogs. Never. I'll bring someone who's so professional from Joburg or somewhere in Mpumalanga or Nelspruit when I'm doing my own things. Blue eye, or is it a lightning? Oh, this side, no, I have lama down whatever, black eye, blue eye, nakho sengifuna ukuthi ngishayiwe. Ngoba it's not a blue eye, guys. Angifake makeup. So when I adima, yeah, you are not professional. Because one thing nizobe senihambe nikhuluma la emgaqweni ukuthi hayi bengiyadecoratela uLulu Nkosi yami uyashada uLulu nani uLulu kwenziwani kubo. Indaba zami nje Newcastle azaziwa. So even when I'm doing something, I will never hire anyone for la Newcastle to do something for me unless kuwumuntu. I think I will have to interview you ngikubone nje ukuthi ingqondo yakhe kuphi, you know, because gcwele amaxoki la. Amaxoki. So I will never. And it's my choice. I guess we all have our own choices ngempilo. So no one have to tell me, why not Newcastle? Why not Newcastle? It's my choice. I will never use anyone from Newcastle. Ababe khona phela for nina. Nakho sengixawa yilokho. Anibona ukuthi ilight leli elenza ukuthi amehlame bemnyama kanje. Downlighting. Senifuna ukuthi ke na bangishayile cha nikhohlakele. Ngoba disweni into engayisho. Umeet esikolweni uyekile baze bakhohlakala abantu. Welindi late ave bekhohlakela. I think bayaboreka cause bengiphumile guys on Instagram for 2 weeks after that drama that was happening. Then I took some time with God and then fasting out of Instagram. How chiki ngigqokele la roke lami eli I was wearing that dress eli navy lelihle nama plint, and then the maid rogwe vele liba ngathi likhula ngezansi, and the next thing I'm pregnant. And I bumped to someone and you're like, bas awusasebenzi futhi uyekile. Hayi cha niyakhuluma yazi, I wish wena yazi indaba zami ngempela. Manje funa khona amaqhiqanqhiqela izinto ezingekho guys. Yo. It's strong le wine. Some they did again. Why your account will be deactivated? Because I want some time off, so I will deactivate it. And I did even deactivated it, because I remember that other time I think I bumped to her a release. I was like, man, why unblockile on Instagram? One, I don't have time to just go around and block people. Of course I will block you, I will block you, but I don't just go around and block people. Yeah. So deactivate account. If the account is deactivated, abantu abakhona ukukubona, and then some they be like, lalela. How do you just with school learners called izakhe izingane zihlupha? Wemama yala ngifundisa khona isikole esaziwayo nje izingane zakhona ziyahlupha. And kuze kuthiwa kuse typing site, typing what, because yay. Hayi ziyahlupha izingane. Nede nje ukuthi kumele ube strong and just know you're worthy. Ulokhu ukhuluma uvula umlomo ubeka la uzama ukuphikisana nezingane zesikole kahle. I don't have that energy. Like mangiphuma lapha ngaphandle, I'm a girl, I'm a lady, I'm a sissy, I'm this woman, you know, so I don't entertain them. Nangoku girl, so now you are coming for my English. I deviate. What is that? I deactivated. Malulwana, hi. But you are the one that posted a pregnant emoji on your stories a few weeks ago. No, you know when you're in a relationship with umuntu happy, it's normal to post that emoji when you're pregnant. Not like I'm saying I'm pregnant, guys. Because le ndaba le pregnant wa blah 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 hayi shem niyakhalela yazi. Mhlawumbe ngizomitha ngempela. Which grade I'm teaching? I'm teaching grade 8, grade 9, 10, no 11, yeah. Ayebo usho nini, they don't get the memo menziwa. Yeah, so Oh, akekho ubaba bakhe egeyithini? No. Okay. So udlile?
Yes.
Okay, bye. My superstar, Nkazimula. So today you're feeling like a celebrity, ne boy?
Yes.
Oh, I'm happy, ne?
Yes.
It's my homeworks again. Uyafuna ukumitha? No, I don't want to. I don't want to fall pregnant. And it's my first time in my entire life being associated as if I'm pregnant, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, angikhulelwe once ngoba ngisemathandweni. How you clear your name always. Continue to stand for yourself. I love it and I will forever defend you. Thank you, my love. Thank you. You are smart, Moswena. So many grades. I'm teaching subjects, say one, I'm teaching you maths. I think it's a problem if you are teaching a lot of subjects. Mina ngidlali ngifundisa into engayifundele university. So abanye abantu angivumi nje ukunikeza ama-duty load engawafundelanga. People they know la ngifundisa khona nje they know ngifundisa into engayiyela esikolweni angihambe ngifundisa noma ngayini. Kazimona is your little brother. No, he's my boy, he's my baby. Get a transfer from a previous school. Okay, again indaba ye-transfer kambe I came live telling you guys about the transfer thing. Hashem, it was so sad, guys. Yes, because they did responded on my email finally, and then now I'm fine, guys. I'm still in Newcastle. I didn't move to Durban. Oh, now I can see the TV may reflect la. I'm at Lamiwen's going as up blue or whatever. Now you want any my how do you maintain your boat unomzimba omuhle wezama luthuli ama jeans kama wami nje bese ngajimi ke angithi lo ngaqala ukujola busy no baby. So I've gained more weight. So now I'm back at Jimini, and the summer is around the corner. I can't wait to go on my vacation. I'm on vacation with my man. I wear my bikinis. We take those sexy snaps. You know, I can't wait to take those nice pictures, you know, with my man, wearing my bikini. Must hold my ass is big. Ejimini abantu abanamona lapho akugirl ngindlule ngasezibukweni lapho ngime ngiyibuke ngise yabona. But likely most of the people lapha ejimini abelungu, so abelungu kuba yilabo nalabo nje, but hey funa namhlanje bengiqala ngithi ke ejimini, so ngithema ngiyibuka ngithi my ass guys, my ass ngithi bayavelelwa yimba yazi futhi lapho ngihlenene ebusweni ukuthi nje ukuqale uthi ngizathi please. Hey yazi mangeke ngena ku live ngiphuze wayini guys, ngicela ngikhuluma nje izinto engamele ngikhulume emhlabeni. Awayekwenza iBBL. Yeah, yazi ukuthi thina sinemzimba bengibuka nje the picture that I took today. I'm like my body away BBL, but well I will still go for my lipo. I want to, you know, my lower tummy I fun guys go by flat tummy, so I will go for a lipo just for my lower tummy because I eating. Yes, when I next see Madam Kaba, Mrs. Tabo Kaba. That's me. Can you English your umntana? Ungena pige wena. What do you teach? I just said now I teach maths. So I've been saying that. Kuthiwa umithi wena. Ngimithi naba ngithi. Ibona bangikhulelisile. Ibona abazi ukuthi ngimithi ngikhulelwe nabo. Mina nabo soba u3 imithi. Yabona. And then about you separate work and personal life, and you find people they like to mix my personal life with my work, you know. There's a time when I had this other case. Actually, it was a Department of Education long time ago, where they were bringing my pictures that I took outside of work, and they are causing some frustration with community, blah blah blah. You know, my lawyers were so happy about that case. And we got there. I was so shocked. Like, this thing happened last year. I think last year or last of last year. I was so shocked that people, they can even went on and print out my pictures wearing bikinis outside work, and they bring it in a table and be like, yeah, this picture. And then my lawyer, usemsebenzini lo muntu noma ungaphandle kwasemsebenzini. It was a joke, but I enjoy my life, guys. Behind the scenes, I enjoy my life, guys. Ngihlezi ngihleka. Yabo. You're so beautiful, thank you. But I'm not beautiful. Ngiyafakile makeup. But I'm Benjamin. So what? Mr. Ubheba ngimazi namhlanje uyephi? Ngizaka ngijoleli nje. Ukuphi ex-wife wakhe around Newcastle nomsedeben. Le ndoda ingabuyile endlini. Ngicela ningibhekele ukuthi ex-wife is around Newcastle or akekho around Newcastle, because nangomuntu wami akabuyile endlini, guys. Ngize ngiworried manje ngithi hayibo, engize ngisake ngiphuza iwayini nangobhebe engabuyile endlini kushaya abo 7. Yazi senzothatha lokho nihambe niyokufaka la nikufaka khona. You still have life after work and you're young, and I'm young. I still have life after work and I'm young, I'm sexy. Yeah, I'm all that. So uma ngimile nje kwicamera mangithi abanye abemi kwicamera ngisho umuntu ngathi uyaminqa umkhaba ominceki, ngisho ngathi uyayifuqa izinqa azibikho. So omunye umsothi unamathanga amaharahara la ngaphakathi kwakhona kumnyama intshede, akakhona ukushutha izithombe isantuze ngoba la hlazo la unama stretch marks and what's not. Then thina fresh, ingane ezifresh, thina sigcobisa ama tissue oil and all that, sinakekela umzimba wethu. Uma sikhumula sishutha ukuthi bese bulawa umona ke. See you without lashes, you look cute. Thank you. Ngisho, how can you teach English? Who said I teach English when? And ngizokblog. Ufuna nje ukugqama wena MS and then you'll be blocked soon. Yes, into ebuhlungu njengokublockwa bese indaba uyizwa ngabantu ukwazi ukungena nje account yakho ngibuke. Izana leyo ngqondo ubonza ukuthi ublockeke yini. Una great bani. Ngishilo mos. Guys. Wow, yeah, such a vibe. Thank you. Did he take off his ring? Go and ask him. My man does have an Instagram account, guys. You can go and ask him that those messages. And I don't know why people, they're still on this ring thing. I will never address it. You look like Fazy. Yes. Manafagili makeup. Any relationship and stop worrying about ex-wife. Babantu. Hayibo, I will be worried phela. Ngithi yasho ex-wife wendoda yami. Hayibo, I will be worried, girl. Kanjani nje? Ha. Yabona, ngicela ubize igama lami because I love you. Sithole Khanyile, hello. You're getting married to Thabo? Yes. And I can't wait to get married to him. I don't know kusikwenzeka nini, maybe next year, but ubheke ungithembisile ukuthi uzongishada. Ungithembisile ukuthi uzongishada one day. So one day I will definitely get married to him. He's a lover of my life. He's my sweetie. He's my my nails are finally done. He's my sugar. I call him sugar. Lulu, please block Joy, whatever. Oh, lo Joy ngimblog. Athi ngimblog ke wena makusho wena. Sengimblokile ngoba kusho wena mngani wami uhlezi la kwi live yami. Sengimblokile ne. So beautiful. Thank you. Are you on any diets? No, not really. Yazi ukuthi nje bengiyiphilela emjolweni ngimnandi. So sengibuyela ejimini ke. You know, ngisazonya ngoba and actually I bought some new clothes ze gym. Ngisayilindile. Ngifuna buyideliver amanye ama jumpsuit ababa kanjani. Ngisazoninyisa. so nje I can't wait namanye ama-legging sazobanyisa futhi kuleya gym bezwa ngami nje uyabona nje uma ngingena lapho I walk like into ngiyitshela. What's happening ngeyi-10 ngiya kwini umembeso wakhabo mngani wami. So we're actually looking at deco because the initial person ade bemqashile besuka eMemelo uba disappointile, so angitshasa ilulu yazi kukanje then mina mangela Instagram ngifuna umuntu wedeco sekuthiwa ululu uyashada, ululu wenzani baby shaya ngathi hayibo balele sesimtholini ex-wife endoda yami. Yes, kwaze kwamnandi ya sengimblokile lo ya Joy such an entertainer. Thank you. And you believe him? Hayibo when ungahlenda ukuthi ungayibelieve semasidweni mayisi zokuthengela ibhanoyi ngahlanda ngingambelieve no Leroy wamthembisa uMihlalo wawukhona yini bethembisana ngabe ukukhuluma izinto ongazazi wawukhona yini bethembisana wawukhona ulalele. Where are you located in Newcastle mama? Around town. Utheni uJoy angisazi kodwa ngimblokile. What are you planning to do with your house when you moved in with him? There are people abakuyo manje mos. There are people, my place is vacant at the moment. There are people are staying there. What happens to your eyes? There's nothing happening in my eyes. Naka isinibona lento le iTV. Yabo lento eblue edlala lapha iTV. So yabo yenza ukuthi la kube ngathi ngine blue eye. A reflection from light. So there's nothing happened. Leli kakhulukazi. Guys, I do also believe manje sebenza sengathi ama boyfriend laba believe because manje i-boyfriend yakho mangafona manje ithi kuwe, hey baby, on the weekend ngizokuthatha nguse, let's say I'm taking you to Paris. You'll be so excited. You even gonna call your friend and be like, hey baby, uyamcall umuntu wakho angazi ukuthi qala ngami umuntu dami uthe uzongishada. So ngiyakholela ekutheni one day uzongishada. Amalimi yini? Yeah, sometimes when amalimi. Yeah, hi Lulu, hi Lisa. Hi. Calling my niece. Abazabantu be very smart but not good in language because I know it's content teachers. Aibo, yes, you mean mama, but I heard that you had a ban in the evening job. Now I'm calling ban in the evening, but the ban in the oven while ngiphuza. Adoba xoxela nalabo ukuthi while ngiphuza nisingishayile wayini guys. Kade ngiqalile while ngiphuza kuthiwa nginjani nginebhanana ku oven whatever kahleni guys. Ningabokhoyela ama blogs. Cela nje niyobaphika umthosi namanga. Yabo nje one thing about me I come live. I come on my Instagram. Yonke ayikho into kimi engiyifihlayo. Cabanga nje kube ngipregnant. Ngabe ngijabule kabi guys. Why? Yakhumbula last year I had a situation with the Rato Khanyago ne. Angdelela. And then I responded the way I responded, and some of you guys were coming for me, telling me why you are insulting someone's womb. Hey, that is sensitive. Some they even curse me. They like, but if good now, abantwana ngabatholi. Ngazi ngani ngoba nginangane mhlawumbe nami abantwana ngibatholi a lot bengithuka. So if mangathiwa ngiba pregnant manje ngajabula. Ngeke nginichomele ngithi